how to upload PPT on Google Classroom. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a PPT on Google Classroom. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Classroom into your device so you can access the website or the app itself into your mobile device. And then once you're on Google Classroom, go ahead and sign in to your account. Now, once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into that specific class where you want to upload a PPT to, and then make sure that you're a teacher to be able to do this. So head over into the classwork tab, and then from here, click on create. And then from here, set this to material. Create a title and description for this specific material, and then click on upload from here. And then click on browse, and this will take you to your local drive. So from here, go ahead and look for that specific PPT that you want to upload into Google Classroom. Click on that and then click on open. And then once you have clicked on it, that will take you into the section. And once your file has been uploaded, it would reflect into this section. And that is how you can basically upload PPT on Google Classroom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.